Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super important, how to buy a business without getting screwed. That's right, too many people jump into buying a business thinking it's as easy as buying a car or a house. But if you don't know what you're doing, you can end up broke, stressed, or worse. It happens more often than you think. Let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. I'll show you step by step how to buy a business safely. Specifically, we're going to focus on buying brick and mortar GLP-1 weight loss centers, since that's one of the hottest business models in the country right now. People everywhere are looking for help losing weight, and these clinics are growing fast. But first, let me tell you a quick story. There was a guy named Mike. Mike was a hardworking guy from Texas. He saved up $150,000 over the years, and he wanted to buy a business so he could, stop working for someone else. He found a weight loss clinic for sale online. It looked perfect. Big profits, simple operation, growing industry. But Mike made one big mistake. He didn't do any homework. No research, no checking the numbers, no talking to experts. Mike paid his money, signed the papers, and 6 months later, the business was losing money. The clinic didn't have a working supplier for GLP-1 medications. The landlord raised the rent. Mike ended up closing the doors and losing almost all his investment. He had to go back to working a regular job just to pay the bills. The stress almost ruined his family life too. Ouch. Don't be like Mike. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to buy a business, specifically a GLP-1 weight loss center without getting screwed like Mike did. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand what you're buying. When you buy a GLP-1 weight loss center, you're buying more than just a building and some furniture. You're buying a system for helping people lose weight using GLP-1 medications, a customer base who trusts that business, a connection to compounding pharmacies that provide legal, FDA-approved medications, an opportunity to grow and make real money helping people. That's why this kind of business is so popular right now. Weight loss is a $100 billion industry, and GLP-1s are the newest, hottest thing. People love the results, and they're willing to pay good money for them. But if you don't understand how it works, you can get burned. So first, learn what goes into running one. Watch videos, read articles, talk to experts, join Facebook groups, follow forums, and really pay attention to what real owners say. Step 2, make sure it's not a franchise. Now, here's something many people miss. A lot of weight loss centers are franchises. That means even if you buy it, you have to pay ongoing franchise fees, follow their strict rules, and share your profits. But there's a smarter way to buy, an independent GLP-1 clinic. That's what we help people do through this channel. You get full ownership, full control, and you keep 100% of the money you make. No boss, no rules, no hidden fees. Step number 3, check the financials. Before you buy any business, you got to check the financials. That means looking at things like how much the clinic is making each month, how much it costs to run it, rent, staff, supplies, how many clients they have, how much they spend on advertising. If the seller refuses to show you real numbers, run. That's a big red flag. You want clear, honest books. If you don't know how to read the business financials, hire an accountant to help. It's worth it. And don't just look at 1 month or two. Ask for at least 12 months of financial statements to see if there are any ups and downs in the business. Step number 4, understand the lease. Most GLP-1 weight loss centers don't own the building, they just lease the space. You need to check how long is the lease. Can the rent go up suddenly? Are there hidden fees in the lease agreement? I've seen people buy a clinic with a lease about to expire, then the landlord triples the rent. Don't let that happen to you. You can even ask the landlord ahead of time if they're open to renewing the lease under the same terms. Step number 5, verify pharmacy connections. This is a GLP-1 business. That means medications matter. You must verify that the clinic has a legal, approved relationship with compounding pharmacies. You don't want to be in a situation where the clinic can't get medications for the patients. Make sure everything is above board. Ask for proof of purchase orders or contracts showing regular supply. Some shady sellers might fake it. Don't fall for that. Step number 6, inspect the physical location. Even if the numbers look good, visit the clinic in person. Check. Is it clean and professional? Does the equipment look up to date? Are there any repairs needed? Does the clinic have good curb appeal? A bad looking clinic will scare away customers. You want something that looks sharp, modern, and inviting. Clean floors, good lighting, nice waiting room. These little things make a big difference. Step number 7, talk to existing staff. If the clinic has employees, talk to them. Ask questions like, how long have you worked here? How do you feel about the business? What could be improved? Are there any customer complaints? Employees often know the real story. They'll tell you things the owner might not. You'd be surprised how much information a front desk staff member can share with you. Step number 8, don't overpay. A lot of sellers ask for way too much money. The price should be based on real profits. If a clinic makes, let's say, $200,000 a year in net profit, fair price might be 2 to 3 times that, so $400,000 to $600,000. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. You're buying a business, not a dream. Make sure to compare the asking price to other similar businesses in your area or in similar markets. Get a business valuation if necessary. Step number 9, use a business attorney before signing anything. Hire a lawyer who specializes in buying businesses. They'll check purchase agreements, lease transfers, licensing paperwork, pharmacy agreements. Don't skip this. Even if it costs you a couple $1,000 now, it could save you from losing everything later. A smart business lawyer can spot hidden clauses that could cost you thousands. Step number 10, have a plan for growth. Once you own the business, what's your plan to make it even better? Will you open more locations, spend more on marketing, offer extra services like fitness coaching or nutrition plans, partner with local gyms or influencers? The real money isn't just in buying, it's in growing. Smart owners always have a growth plan from day one. Now, I know that's a lot to take in, so let me quickly summarize how to buy a GLP-1 weight loss business without getting screwed. Understand what you're buying. Make sure it's not a franchise. Check the financials. Understand the lease. Verify pharmacy connections. Inspect the location. Talk to the staff. Don't overpay. Use a business attorney. Have a growth plan. Let me give you a positive story to balance things out. A woman named Lisa from Florida watched this very channel. She had $120,000 saved up from working as a nurse. Lisa followed all these steps. She researched how GLP-1 clinics works. She made sure to buy an independent clinic, not a franchise. She checked the books, the lease, verified the pharmacy, hired a lawyer to help with the purchase. Now, 18 months later, Lisa's clinic is making $45,000 a month in net profit. She's planning to open a second location, all because she took the time to learn how to do it right. Lisa even said the biggest thing that helped her was joining a group of other clinic owners. They shared tips, answered her questions, and helped her avoid beginner mistakes. Surrounding yourself with smart business people is another key to success. You can do the same thing if you're serious about buying a GLP-1 weight loss business without getting screwed. I want you to do 3 things right now. Number 1, book a call with us. We help people like you all the time. We'll walk you through the process step by step so you don't have to figure it all out alone. Number 2, visit our website. We got free guides, case studies, and more information to help you make smart moves. And number 3, Download our free guide called Fat Profits. It's packed with details on buying and running GLP-1 weight loss centers. All the links are right below this video in the description. So don't wait until it's too late. Learn how to buy a business without getting screwed. Learn how to make real money, helping real people lose weight and feel better. And as always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. From my lips to your ears, I love you. I'll see you next time.